Hey everybody, Toby here with PE Garage, coming at you with another episode. You know, there's nothing worse than having a messy workspace where you can't find the tools you need to do the job. I'm a big believer in a place for everything and everything in its place. Well, tune in on this episode where I'm going to show you how I got this Trinity Products stainless rolling tool chest set up for my mill lathe combo, and I'm all set, ready to go to work on this episode of PE Garage. Hey everybody, Toby here with PE Garage. Started off as a pretty good day. Anytime the delivery truck pulls up to your shop with some new goodies, it's a good day. But unfortunately, my truck driver or somebody in the distribution chain managed to either drop or run into my new machining center toolbox. So unfortunately, she's got a little damage. Not to be dissuaded, we're gonna get that thing into the shop and we're gonna make something awesome today. So there's the damage. Clearly it's been ran into somehow. This jerry-rigged box, and whoever did it tried to do a good job of hiding it, but clearly it was damaged in transit. All right, so here's what we have. I wheeled both of these up from the driveway. So the tool chest you see there, it's on its end. I've got to put the casters and handles on it. It comes fully assembled, so that'll be pretty quick work. And once I get it done, I'll wheel it into the shop and I'll have to engine hoist the lathe mill combo on top. It's probably 400 pounds. And I'm just not feeling salty enough to do that myself today. Caster's mounted, I can now put the handle on. So I'm gonna crack it open. Nice little stainless handles and closed bolts. On second thought, this is PE Garage, so let's trick it out with some cup washers. Now that looks good. Okay, now to install the shelves. So I got these small little stainless clips that go in these notches, and then two shelves. Now this will lock, so you got the green for unlock, red for lock, and these are key to like, so the drawers and the door are both keyed the same. All right, one last thing, we're ready to go. Trinity includes drawer liners for all of their toolboxes, so all I have to do is find the one that's cut to fit each drawer, drop it in, no trimming. All right, so now that we got the rolling tool chest ready to go, we gotta get this bad boy up on top of it. So I'm gonna have to use the shop hoist to make that happen. got it in place. This is just old gym flooring that I salvaged for nothing, and it works pretty well, nice and thick, but I don't like this interlocking edge, so I cut that one off already. I'm cutting this one off now, just so I've got a little work mat to protect the butcher block top. And just in case you're wondering, I've already scored this with a box cutter. I've got everything set up here, so now I'm going to start filling the drawers with my turning tools and my milling tools. I've got a couple of ball mills and some end mills, not a lot, but we will stock it up. I may also put my drill bits and pretty much anything cutting and turning over here in this center.
So there you have it, the 66-inch rolling tool chest combo from Trinity. Really did the trick. I was thinking about building a shelf or a rack for this thing out of square tubing, but the problem with that is I wanted a place to store all the tooling that I would need. And I don't have a whole lot yet, but I'm getting there, and now I'm set for that. So in coming episodes, I'll be showing you teaching myself how to use the lathe and the mill. Might even take a class here in town if I can. But for now, it's a pretty nice setup. It's not massive, it's not huge, but for what I'm going to use it for, it should be perfect. So until next time, this is Toby from PE Garage telling you to get out in the garage, make something awesome.